Great Taste is brought to you by Cantor's Meats, the home of quality meats.
Welcome back to Great Taste of Manitoba, Manitoba canola growers with Ellen Pruden. And so we're on to Pizza Town, and we're doing a potato, asparagus, and tarragon pizza. Okay, just like I would never have, oh yeah, let's put those things together. But here we are, and you assure me this is fantastic.
It's delicious, but it goes back to, let's start with the dough. It's
Absolutely.
all about the dough.
Yep.
And so we have our cup of whole wheat flour, and I love baking with whole wheat flour because it really adds in some nutritional benefits, you know, of course that goes with it, but it gives it a really great flavor too.
Thank you, Manitoba wheat growers.
Yes, thank you, Manitoba
thank
wheat
you.
growers. You know, our canola farmers are also our wheat farmers as well. So that's a really important, you know, rotation crop for our farmers in Manitoba, and it's a really critical
And
piece.
lots of people doing it here in the province.
And we grow some of the best wheat in the world.
There you go. The best.
Just like our canola, and then we ship it out. Okay, so we're back to the basics here. We got flour, whole wheat flour. We're gonna add in our yeast, right? We need salt to go in there to mix that all together.
Don't make me nervous. This is like, is this gonna?
No.
Mine always ends up so like tough, and so I'm not really sure. Maybe I'm just mixing it. I don't know what I do wrong, but.
Finger warm water.
Okay.
Okay, so that's one tip. Put the water in first. Now there's all different ways about doing this. So I put the water in first, and then I give a little squeeze of our canola oil. So you're looking at, you know, in total about a tablespoon that you're adding.
And I love you didn't even measure that. You were just like,
yeah, you know, I'm a trained professional. I cook on TV, right?
This is true. Doesn't necessarily make you a professional anything, let me assure you. But okay, we'll let you have that one.
You want to start and bring this together, and then you're gonna add a little bit more oil in, and you're gonna move it around. So to get my hands dirty, you're gonna set that off aside, right? And you're looking at your dough to be like, look how beautiful this is.
Can I
feel it?
Oh, it is.
It's after it's risen, and the key to a great dough is kneading it. So you want to start push and pull back, push and pull back.
All right.
And fold it in, right? And look how, and that's how you then perhaps add a little more flour if you need to.
Okay. But not too much, because then it gets tough, right?
Then it gets tough.
That's where I usually
end up. You just want to have it in a nice warm place. You could double this, like it makes one piece of dough. You could double this, keep one in the fridge in a resealable bag. It will grow to whatever bag it is. So make sure it's a big bag.
Oh, all right.
But like, isn't that gorgeous?
It is.
It's a beautiful dough.
We could just end it there,
Gorgeous.
but we're not going to.
No, because pizza's like the palette to build things on.
And of course, this is about bringing people together. It's eat well with more meals together, and you know, so that includes the making of. Well, you're going to eat it together, right? But the making of the pizza, this could be super fun with your kids, or just whoever.
Friday nights is pizza night at our house, so we make pizza all the time. And once you get a really great dough, like if you're not making your own homemade dough right now, you need to. This recipe is going to put you over the edge. This next piece is like, let's not do pepperoni and mushroom, like nothing wrong with that. But like, let's have some fun and kind of clean out the fridge even as well and see what's going on.
All right.
Who doesn't love potatoes? And kind of these beautiful thin potato chips. Like
that's kind of how they end up. Peak of the market, again, local product, locally made, locally grown.
We're adding in our canola because we have to cook our, do you want to just add in the really thin potatoes? We need to cook them down first because the dough takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook, like the whole pizza. So it does not take a lot of time at all to make that happen. But then you walk away, after they individually kind of laid out all so beautiful. So
you could just, the problem I'd have is I'd be just eating them without waiting to cook.
Well, then you're double batching, right? Okay. So those are gonna cook, but we're gonna build our pizza. And many people think like you need to have like a red sauce or, as your traditional.
Don't. No.
You do not.
No.
You can have a white sauce. You can put barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Or you drizzle your canola oil on it.
This is my new thing. This is like, I love that. You just, with the oil.
And I would add in your canola oil on top of your dough. We took a master class. And so if you want to be part of our canola eat well community, you learn about these little things. And we took a master class on pizza, and you put your dough on it because it acts as a little barrier. And now we're adding flavor. So now we have our garlic that goes on. We're going to spread that around.
And then I think we put the potatoes on
now
here right away.
Now the potatoes go on.
Can I?
Yes, please. I will assemble.
I did not take the master class. Oops.
Oh, yeah.
But
you want to make them look beautiful. Okay. And then we have asparagus. You can pre-blanch them if you want, but there's no need to. Just clean them, have them be bite-sized.
Just as is, okay.
All right, arrange them in a beautiful order. Make sure they go on the pizza dough.
And then
we have different cheeses.
Cheese first, then the...
Yeah, fresh herbs last. So we got real Parmesan cheese and then Fontana cheese, which is something different. So, do get out and experiment. Our dairy farmers make great cheeses, right? So we can have this whole beautiful piece that's going on here.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. And then fresh herbs.
Play around.
tarragon, and we have some fresh chives, which is going to brighten the flavors, and that's what fresh herbs do.
Like it's beautiful already, right? And it's not even,
and all those smells, like you get that smell of the tarragon.
Oh, the tarragon. And tarragon's like one of those things like, ooh, what do I use it on? And this is great.
This is wonderful.
Super, super awesome.
Bake it in the oven, 400 degrees, and there you go.
And that's what you've got. Okay, perfect. So there's our asparagus, potato, got to get the order right, tarragon pizza. When we come back, sugar cookies, as if we're not sweet enough, but that's where we're headed here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by GreatTastesMB.ca. Local farms, local foods.